Hi dear, today we'll see some of the reactions with the acids. Okay, so last class we have studied how the acid is reacted with the few metals, metal hydrogen carbonate, metal carbonate, base, as well as this metal oxide. Okay, so with the metal oxide and the base, it gives salt and water, right? And with the carbonate, metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. And with the metals, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so you are thorough with it, right? So we'll see some of the reactions. Okay, so acid plus metal. So what is this? Acid plus metal will give salt plus hydrogen gas, right? Sulfuric acid plus zinc chloride gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, your salt plus hydrogen. Okay, so zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so it replaces and it gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, next, acid plus metal carbonate. So what is the product? Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water, right? HCl plus Na2CO3 gives, what is your salt? What is this salt produce? Sodium chloride, NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water, right? NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water. You know how to balance that, right? So you can balance it. Okay, next, acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate. Again, what will be formed? Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. What is the salt produce? NaCl, sodium chloride plus water plus CO2. Okay, next, acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. What is the salt here? Magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, next, again, acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas, right? So H2SO4, sulfuric acid plus aluminum gives aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas. Aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas, right? Okay, then acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. So your salt is FeCl3 plus H2 gas. Okay, ferric chloride plus hydrogen gas. Next, acid plus base. This is OH, means your base, right? Sodium hydroxide. Acid plus base gives salt plus water, right? So what is the salt? NaCl plus H2O. NaCl plus H2O. Okay, next, acetic acid. Acid plus base, OH means base. Okay, acid plus base will give salt plus water, right? So what is the salt? Here the C will replace the H, right? Sodium acetate plus water. Sodium acetate plus water. Okay, next, acid. This is carbonic acid, right? H2CO3 means carbonic acid. Carbonic acid plus magnesium hydroxide. Hydroxide is base, right? Acid plus base give salt plus water, right? What is the salt? Magnesium carbonate plus water. Okay, this is carbonic acid plus magnesium hydroxide gives magnesium carbonate plus water. Next, what is the reaction between water and acid? Means hydrochloric acid plus H2O gives hydronium ions and Cl, right? It is fully this is strong acid and it fully dissociate, right? H3O plus Cl minus. This is hydronium, right? Okay, then HCOOH. This is called formic acid, or we can say methanoic acid. Okay, acid plus metal hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide, right? What is your salt? Sodium methanoate we can say, otherwise sodium formate we can say. Okay, what is the name of this HCOONA? Sodium formate we can say, otherwise sodium methanoate. Okay, sodium methanoate plus water plus CO2, carbon dioxide. Next one, acid plus metal carbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide, right? Nitric acid plus calcium carbonate gives calcium nitrate plus H2O plus CO2. Calcium nitrate plus H2O plus CO2. Next, acid plus base. Nitric acid plus calcium hydroxide gives, again what? Acid plus base means neutralization reaction, salt plus water, right? So your salt is calcium nitrate plus water. Calcium nitrate plus water. Next, again acid plus base. Again neutralization reaction, we will get salt plus water. Sulfuric acid plus potassium hydroxide give potassium sulfate plus water. Okay, K2SO4 plus water. Next, H2SO4 sulfuric acid plus base copper 2 hydroxide, or we can say copper hydroxide. Okay, sorry, cupric hydroxide. Sulfuric acid plus cupric hydroxide gives copper sulfate plus water. That means acid plus base will give salt plus water. Okay, next, again acid plus base, ammonium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid plus ammonium hydroxide will give salt plus water, ammonium chloride plus water. Next, acid plus metal oxide will give salt plus water. The salt is copper sulfate plus water. Clear? So these are the few reactions. I have given only the what is the product form when acid is reacted with the metal or metal carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate, base or oxide, metal oxide. Okay, so it will be asked in many way. Okay, for example, copper sulfate, what is the green color product form? Likewise they will be asking few questions, right? Few questions like that. For example, when a hydrogen carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonates react with these, and which turns lime water milky, means that means what is the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. Like this they will be asking question. This is the direct equation I have given. What will be the product form? Okay, it will not be asked in the direct manner, it will be indirectly asked. Okay, in a statement like one second. So they will be asked like this, write word equation and then balanced equation for the reaction taking place when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with granules, zinc granules. That is, acid react with metal. Likewise they will be asking so these kind of real life application based questions will be asked. So these will be the products form when it reacts with acid. Okay, thank you.